Hello everyone, I am hoping that all you are doing very well. Now again in this video we are going to discuss about a four new vocabulary in a daily basis. So after learning you can just trying to make a such kind of paragraph and just trying to implement and just trying to speak in front of camera or a mirror. So in this way your vocabulary also improve with communication. So first one is articulate. Yes, articulate means expressive. You are very expressive while you are talking and just trying to communicate with others because you're feeling emotions is very well and you are a good articulate person means you are a good expressive person. Everyone can understand you very crystal and clear way. Okay, understand. And the second one is a convey, just trying to convey someone very easily. uh, I'm just trying to convey you by my communication skills because you are watching me. So that's the reason I'm just trying to convey everyone because English is not a vast language. It's a game of consistency, and if you just trying to stick on it, then you might be and you definitely speak just like a pro, just the accent or a native speaker speaking in a very well. And the third one is pragmatic. What does it exactly mean? Pragmatic means those person who believe in practical or a realistic things, because I believe English speaking is a pragmatic solution. Without doing pragmatic, it can't be work for our day-to-day life. So that's why I believe practical situation. I just trying to make some videos and doing some exercise, and along with this also I'm just trying to learn new vocabulary and just trying to talk in my videos and make a small paragraph. So in this way my words also I can remember every time and just trying to deliver in front of you and any such kind of strange who is talking to me. So in this way I can also try to convey them because I am an articulate person. So that's the reason I just trying to learn new vocabularies every day. And being a human, my responsibility, my priority to help you the best possible, best person as you can. So and the fourth one is subtle. Subtle means not a big difference, very small difference, because uh, mm, without doing practice it's not easy for you. So doing practice is very important while you are in this field. So subtle, uh, um, watching video or doing practice is not a subtle change, it's a very big difference. Yes, because you are watching, then you have to just trying to speak. You have to just trying to start doing practice. So if you do in this way, then you can see the result will also comes automatically. So subtle is very important. So many ideas people just trying to express, but they can't be expressed. They just express in their mind. But when the time comes and the person just say, hey buddy, now it's your time, you have to express your thoughts, emotions. Now let's begin. At that time they fumble and just they think about it. If I speak, then what people think about me? Because they're thinking before you speak. So that's the reason they stuck and they can't be able to express their emotions or feelings. So while just doing practice, you have to be articulate, you have to be confident, you have to be punctual, and don't get shy, and always get out of your fear zone. Yes, it's a practical approach, so that's why I'm saying that it's a pragmatic situation. If you really fear and something you are trapped in such kind of situation, it might be many things. You are getting fear or just thinking about it. If I do in this way, what the people think about me? They might laugh on me. So don't worry about it. You are a person, you are just doing it. No one is perfect. Everyone taking a great progress. So if you really want to be make a great things in this field, then you can just trying to do a practice no matter what the people laugh on you or not. Sometimes first times they laugh on you, but day by day you might be increased, then they salute you, they proud you. At that time you're feeling so confident. Yes, I'm a that kind of person who was not able to express, who wasn't be a articulate person, but now right here right now I'm articulate, I'm a pragmatic, and I'm just trying to convey everyone my communication skills. And there is a not a subtle difference all this progress, because you made a hard work, you made a big progress. So that's the reason you came this era, and God made you very specific for something. So you have to utilize and just trying to do something in a very great way. Because I have already discussed about it. Pragmatic means those person who believe in practical or in realistic situation. Convey, just trying to convince, means just trying to make someone agree to their words. Okay. And subtle, not a big difference, not a big difference, we can also use the word subtle. And the fourth one is pragmatic. Pragmatic I have already narrated. And the fourth one is, yes, pragmatic, I'm hoping that. Convey I have discussed. Articulate, articulate means those person who is very expressive and able to just trying to express something very easily without hesitation, without a fumble. Because I'm speaking in front of you, because my English is very weak, but I'm just trying to progress my skills. Now, the reason is that I'm speaking in front of you and you are watching me very briefly. So, you have to just learn four or three vocabularies and just trying to use in your conversation, and just trying to make a small paragraph. So in this way, if you just trying to make it, then learn it and also just move it. And the thing is that you have to make a paragraph, because in this way many words can come across your mind and you can remember very easily. And just trying to speak in a pace, in a rhythm, then the thing will work very perfectly and everything comes in your mind without stuck, without fumble, without many distraction. So you have to be speak with rhythm and just trying to talk in a very well manner. Because sometimes I see many people while they are speaking, they forget some words, and they also uh, lost some words while speaking, and they get very nervous after speaking, and they also give excuses. Yes buddy, I remember some words, but when I started speaking, at that time I forget so many words. So at that time my mind is so blind, I couldn't be able to speak perfectly, I couldn't be express my feelings crystal and clearly. So that's the reason, because you just jungling so many words at a time. So that's the reason you stuck and you can't be able to express your thoughts in a clear way. So if you really want to be a perfect at English, then you have to do practice and just trying to learn every day four or three vocabularies. I'm not giving you a burden. You have to learn 10 vocabularies or 20 in a single day, and just trying to make notes and just trying to make a paragraph. So it is also depend on you what a capability you have. If you have a capability, then you can make a notes and you can learn a 5 or 20 vocabularies in a daily basis. And just trying to make videos or doing practice or a shadowing, so many kinds of way you have, because it's an era which give you a freedom. So it's up to you what your mindset is it. So hoping that this video helpful you a little bit. If this helpful, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also join my channel. So in this way I can also be more confident and just trying to talk to you in a daily basis. So goodbye, take care, I'll meet you in my next video. Keep enjoying, always be punctual and dedicated towards your work. Bye for now. Thank you.